China is building the future the world can't even imagine yet. Imagine a place where the impossible is routine, where cities rise in months and bridges stretch across oceans. A place where technology is not just a tool, it's part of the nation's soul. In China, the future is not a dream, it's a production line. It's concrete, steel, and light, forged by human ambition. While the rest of the world still debates what comes next, China is already there, living the future we're still trying to understand. From Chongqing to Shanghai, from Shenzhen to Chengdu, China has turned itself into the world's biggest laboratory of the future. In less than 40 years, it rose from extreme poverty to become the epicenter of global innovation. The numbers sound unreal. More than 100 cities with over 1 million people, hundreds of high-speed trains crossing the country at over 350 kilometers per hour, and a population that doesn't fear technology, it embraces it. While the rest of the world worries about losing control to machines, China teaches them to build a new world. Among misty mountains and deep rivers stands Chongqing, one of the most fascinating cities on Earth. A living sculpture of steel and concrete, where highways twist like veins and towers climb so high they pierce the clouds. Here, trains don't just cross bridges, they pass through residential buildings with perfect precision. An idea so daring, it feels like science fiction. At night, Chongqing becomes something else. Reflections of light dance on the Yangtze River, and the entire city pulses like a digital heart in the mountains. But Chongqing hides something even more remarkable. Between its automated factories and silent labs, new citizens of the future are being born. Humanoid robots. Engineers feed them algorithms of empathy and emotion. Robots that can already hold conversations, recognize faces, and react to human gestures. This is not science fiction. It's reality. And each new version gets closer to something that feels alive. While the West fears losing control, China seems ready to hand it over, just to see how far machines can take us. In Shanghai, the future isn't distant. It's visible at every corner. The 1,000 Trees project is a suspended forest, a building covered in real vegetation that breathes with the city. Nearby stands Raffles City, a complex so massive it looks like a spaceship anchored to Earth. Its towers connect high above the skyline through a glowing sky bridge, floating in the air like a ribbon of light. At night, millions of LEDs dance across the glass. The skyline comes alive, a living organism made of code and color. Behind every smart city lies a beating digital heart, massive data centers where supercomputers work endlessly, learning from every human movement. In Wuxi and Chengdu, machines perform trillions of calculations per second. They manage traffic in real time, optimize power for millions of homes, and even monitor public safety with precision algorithms. But they also study us, our emotions, our expressions, our habits. That's the price of efficiency. The smarter the city becomes, the less private our lives are. The balance between progress and control has never been thinner. China has learned to defy nature itself. Colossal bridges cross violent seas, tunnels carved through mountains once deemed unbreakable. The Qinghai-Tibet Railway cuts through the Himalayas, connecting cities over 5,000 meters above sea level. Trains move through clouds, over deserts of ice and valleys of wind. And yet, nothing stops. Not the cold, not the time, not even gravity. Mankind defeated the impossible with iron, fire, and faith in engineering. Deep in the mountains lies fast, the largest radio telescope on the planet. Its massive dish listens to the universe, waiting for a signal that might not be human. While others stare at the present, China listens to the future. Every pulse of a distant star is a reminder. The future doesn't belong to those who wait, but to those who build and listen. In Chengdu, there's a building so large it holds entire beaches, artificial skies, and oceans that shimmer beneath LED suns. In Wuhan, silent monorails float above the streets, powered by clean energy and guided by AI. And in Shanghai, drones replace fireworks, painting the sky with light, movement, and precision. What once was spectacle is now algorithm. What once was dream is now daily life. China also leads a silent revolution in energy. It now produces more solar and wind power than any other nation on Earth. Vast fields of panels stretch beyond the horizon, and floating turbines harvest the winds above endless seas. The nation is investing in green hydrogen, massive batteries, and entire smart cities designed to function like living organisms. The goal is not just to dominate the planet, but to preserve it. But one question remains. In a world run by machines, what's left of humanity? When robots care for the elderly, machines teach in classrooms, and digital avatars replace real artists, are we evolving or drifting away from what made us human? China is showing us the path forward, but it also holds up a mirror that asks, are you ready to live in the world you've created? From hotels carved into abandoned quarries to cities built in deserts, China continues to challenge every boundary we thought was fixed. Every bridge, every tower is a silent message to the world. The impossible is only what hasn't been tried yet. While others doubt, China builds. Maybe the rest of the planet still dreams about the future, but in China, the future is already here. It shines in steel, glows through glass, and breathes in algorithms. And when the world finally wakes up, it may realize the future has already begun, because the future already speaks Mandarin.
I'm Xandro. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and so long.